LGBTQ rights are not just about identity, they are about humanity. Every person deserves to live without fear, shame, or rejection. When LGBTQ individuals are denied acceptance, it leaves emotional scars that affect how they see themselves and the world around them.
Discrimination slowly silences voices and breaks confidence. Many LGBTQ people are forced to hide who they are just to feel safe or accepted. This loss of freedom doesn't only harm them, it weakens our society by taking away their potential, creativity, and voice.
When we protect LGBTQ rights, we protect the right to exist. Acceptance creates space where people can heal, grow, and contribute by choosing equality and respect, we build a society that values dignity over judgment and love over fear. LGBTQ rights reminds us that no one should have fight over their no one should hide who they are.
Acceptance gives people the courage to live truthfully.
Discrimination steals dignity and silences voices.
1, 2, 3, 4. If you like a thing, you should've put a ring on it. If you like a thing, you should've put a ring on it. Don't be mad at what you see like he want it. 'Cause if you like
Kung